Welcome to Avocado Academy, the A to Z vocabulary challenge. Can you guess the word? Let's go! It's a fruit that keeps the doctor away. Apple. It buzzes and makes honey. Bee. You can drink from this. Cup. Man's best friend. Dog. Big animal with a trunk. Elephant. This keeps you cool on a hot day. Fan. They climb trees and live in the jungle. Gorilla. You wear this on your head. Hat. Cold and melts in the sun. Ice. You wear it to stay warm in winter. Jacket. A baby cat is called a kitten. It roars and lives in Africa. Lion. It loves cheese and squeaks. Mouse. It's on your face and helps you smell. Nose. Round and juicy fruit. Orange. You eat it, and it comes in slices. Pizza. It comes before an answer. Question. It hops and eats carrots. Rabbit. It hisses and slithers on the ground. Snake. Warm drink, often with honey. Tea. You use this when it rains. Umbrella. Large vehicle to transport goods or people. Van. You drink it every day. Water. Used to see bones in hospitals. X-ray. A bright color. Yellow. Black and white striped animal. Zebra. Great job! Thank you!
Please subscribe and tune in next time for more everyday exciting English.